Congratulations! You have reached the end of this course. By now, you have learned the basics of IEP data collection, including setting up your caseload, tracking goals, generating reports, and gaining insights from data. These foundational skills will help you confidently and efficiently manage your students' progress. However, it's important to remember that data collection and analysis is a dynamic and evolving field. There's always more to discover. And as your needs grow, AbleSpace offers a range of additional features to make your workflow even smoother. Here's a quick preview of what else you can explore. Calendar functionality. You can use this to plan and schedule sessions in advance. Simply set up your sessions in the Calendar tab by clicking on Creating Session. Once created, you can click on a scheduled session to start collecting data instantly for predefined groups. Custom goal tracking templates. Use the custom option while adding goals to create unique tracking formats tailored to your specific needs. Goal labels. Assign labels to goals to improve coordination and communication among team members. Advanced reporting and analysis. Dive deeper into the data with advanced features that we'll cover in a future course. We hope this course has given you a solid starting point. If you're ready to expand your knowledge further, keep an eye out for our advanced training materials. Thank you for choosing AbleSpace to streamline your IEP goal tracking and data collection journey.